Yo, Joker. I'm glad you could have joined me today. All heap of people want to know what going on between you and the big bad Batman. When I always clash each other. What go on, so?
Oh, my dear island friend, Batsy and I, we're like salt and pepper, rum and coke, chaos and order. He completes me.
Sound like you in love and hate thing. But tell me the truth. You not get tired for fight the same man over and over again. Seems like the man always a mash up your plan. Still can't stop.
Tired? Oh no, my Caribbean compadre. It's an art form. The dance, the madness, the beautiful unpredictability of it all. Batman, he's the straight man in my comedy show.
So, I can't lie. Joker, you sound like you read him in a one twisted way. But what you would do if Batman just disappear? Left you in a Gotham by yourself.
Now, that would be boring. I'd have to find a new playmate. Maybe you, Rasta man.
Me good still, Joker. But good. I prefer the beach, a little spliff, than the madness. But me get your point. Big up yourself. But remember, Batman always the bout.
Oh, I never forget. And neither will Gotham.
Now hear me now, Joker. A lot of people say you're mad, your head no good. But I want to hear it from you. You see yourself as a villain, or you feel like say you show the world the truth?
Villain? Truth? Ha! Labels, my friend. I'm not a monster. I'm just ahead of the curve. The world's already a joke, I just show them the punchline.
See it. But me have to ask you this too. Batman him not kill you yet. Be sure you notice that. You think I witness that? Or you think him need you to keep him mask on him face?
Oh, Batsy doesn't kill. He thinks it makes him better. But deep down, he wants to. He needs me, just like I need him. Without me, who is he? Just a rich boy in a suit crying over his mommy and daddy.
Me really honestly do a Joker. But tell the people them, if you could have take one thing from Batman, what would it be? The gadgets? The cars? Or him little morals?
His mind. Oh, what a beautiful day it would be if I could crack open that bat brain and see the darkness he hides. I don't want his toys. I want him to laugh. Just once. Like me.
You're dark still, my brother. But me ask you this last question. If Batman did come here right now on the show, what you would have tell him live on camera?
I'd say, hello, Batsy. Let's put a smile on that face, together.
I can't lie. When you ready for that type of level of madness, Joker, I come back to my beach cheer scene.
Run along, island man. But remember, Gotham never sleeps.